Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'll be making some buffalo chicken flatbread pizza. I don't really want to call it a pizza because it's not really a pizza, but anyway, these are my ingredients. I ended up not even using that Sazon. I don't even know why I got it there, but you want to wash and season your chicken. I'm using Italian seasoning, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. But of course, you can season your meat however you want to. Just don't overdo it because, again, this is a buffalo ranch flatbread, so it's a lot of other flavors going on. So don't kill it, but you can season it how you want. Next, I'm going to sear it in a little bit of oil on both sides. You could pop it in the oven. You can boil your chicken if you want. However, this is just so forgiving and easy and simple. You don't have to do much. So to this bowl, I'm adding my hot sauce and my ranch. Mix it up, and this is going to be the sauce for the pizza. So it's like 2 to 1. So it's like 2 parts hot sauce, 1 part ranch. And you're going to mix that up, season it with some more Italian seasoning, and that's it for the sauce. These are the cheese that I'm using because that's what I had available to me. I'm also using a store-bought crust. So, yeah, it's so easy and simple. It's low maintenance, y'all. Flip the chicken after about 5 minutes on each side, and you don't want to get it too dark. You don't want it to look like fried chicken, so don't do it too dark. So this is my pan. I'm just going to grease the bottom of the pan. I have parchment paper down. I'm also going to sprinkle on here some cornmeal to get that nice little crust effect. We are using store-bought crust. So I'm trying to elevate it as much as I can. So cut up your chicken, and then we're going to start assembling the pizza. So I added some hot sauce to my chicken for more flavor and mix that up. And now I'm going to roll out my crust onto the pan. Y'all, I popped this in the freezer for like 10 minutes so it could be easier on me. Because if you ever try to roll out a dough, store-bought, at room temperature, man, you know what I'm talking about. It's the worst. But you just want to push at it a little bit. You don't have to do too much. Brush it with butter. Follow the directions on the back of your package. And that's what I did. And I just seasoned it with butter and some more Italian seasoning. I didn't do too much. This is what it looked like after I followed the direction on my package. Then you want to brush it with the buffalo. Add your cheese, just like this. Then you add your chicken, just like this. And you could pretty much put whatever topping you want on here, guys. You don't have to just put the buffalo. This is what I had. I'm in quarantine. I'm using what's in my house, and I didn't want to leave. This is what it looks like right out the oven. Y'all, I can't wait till I get some new equipment. They're on their way, by the way. Well, I'm about to get the second part because I feel like I make such beautiful dishes, but I can't really show really how they look on camera because I have a, old camera, So at the end, I just sprinkled on some Parmesan cheese, some dried parsley, and some more hot sauce. And that's it. It's such a beautiful flatbread. And, it's great for entertaining. It's delicious. Like, look at this shot. If this was a newer camera or something more advanced, it would be just so beautiful. But it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye, you guys.